Yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick review on the AirCube active oxygen grow system. I put my stuff in about 2 weeks ago. Got some tomatoes and what have you. Things are growing well. The install was pretty easy. Everything's been working smoothly with the pumps and the controller. When I installed it, I chose to do some 90s into the tank instead of just the tubing, and every connection I also zip tied because this unit is up in the loft and I wasn't taking any chances with the leak. And you can see this is my little indicator and keeps the cats out of here. They came and dug my beans up the other night. So anyway, yeah, the AirCube, so far so good after 2 weeks. Easy installation. Everything came on time. Yep, not too bad of a system. Looking forward to it. I will keep you guys posted. But let's go check out the NFT table real quick. I'm going to harvest a few lettuces today, replant. Harvest a little of that basil. Pulled some microgreens. Had a blackout this morning. Yep, so I'm doing 10 every 5 days. Pretty cool. Well, hit the smash the like button and please subscribe. Thanks again.